Mete for you now, Quabam from Bradjum 100.7 at Thomas Wino. I had their powers for 2 and I think within the space of 15 minutes. Yabar Rambo stories. I'm sure to the God, Yaman with Diako, Diaba, the world of football. I just say, and Yasam Kutok, remember near to within 7 and sweat to the Bowl anything. I don't run the other within some crab to job. South Sudan Olu Boy Commodore, Papa Sweat Miakasam, and no to look up with Joseph Sweat Metro Lumtio and Sweat Miakasan Uremusua, a Yadoko Piamusua, a dear chairman K5 or so, and Sweat Miakasan Musamina, and Sweat with their bro in the space of 15 minutes. Not just a woman Samina, Diacosu Batuanum, and your fist of the timid battles, and Yasan Kuton, the powers for 2, and I never down watches him, and Yagro. You remember near Timash, Median Asser in Seminum, and Sweating with a brother team, and a young diluted Kobiazar, who bet me a friend with Tim. Juku to a boy from Poeti Domanas as producers up, yet him the Jumedian, and Sweating with a by a Brenton team, and Matasco from Ponsa, the Starboy, and I was the boss player original, times 2 at 40 ton after Brenton team, and the set winner bois, and the Tim the Jumedian, and Sweating with a brown whom of him, and one of my film watches him, and Yasan could turn Tempos over the moon, Nian shots and fun some, and Sweating from Brother Mepacho Becatro, and upon the powers was one is a name, and a brewery Pumaco matches him, U23, and a 23 black matches form, or Matima Tubatawa Copiemon, our Mizirma Sassan Swatches him, and Yasan could turn him to Montereso, and Quaco African Cup of Nations in a way, under 23, and a Mutimuco watches him, and Yasan Katokra, Wabetima qualified as the first second tenum, Wabetima Romaco Piemo, our Tokyo 2020, and not as an Olympics Cocanum, and Sweating. At was so and so to watch say enya some good no and the Olympics one it will qualify first second third me pacho what ma go second about Tokyo 2020 in the Olympic qualifications more enya some good talkura na me pacho since 2004 am me pacho Ghana the Black Meteors and the team qualify go piemom our Athens Olympic soccer me pacho since 2004 yet team ko ba no kamia ko 15 years in dunum dunum match say kwenom na 15 years ni me pacho Ghana Black Meteors are finding it difficult. Say, but me are joining trainer. Near to my qualify go PM. Our Olympics games in the Bina go Dijuam. Nabi Betima since 2004. Ya qualify go PM Athens. Ya go Olympic soccer. Ya go be 50 years in. Ya team go to qualify po and ya team ko. O run the Edo Randy Abe. Me bachoka executive council home. Ya trying to take an ESCO members. Me bachoka umbi. I just say anya some kutokura. Papa de baba to judge with Denti Kondiam. 15 years in the Black Meteors of Ghana and so to qualify and go piemom our Olympics go go saka yen chen sama owura ni team I don't run for them they don't know about them na they say ready abi no so some kakra also to the giant.
What we've heard is that how to also do the release of players. We've always had difficulties in getting especially the foreign-based players that we really wanted for those games, especially during the time when I was in there. So then you sometimes have to make do with what is available. There are times that some of the players defy their clubs, and also hampered the ability of us to put together some formidable teams.
Okay, you run the thing, you runs for the do not born and brand Randy and pay me about your ESCO member. I just say, Enya, some good to the Bible to the dent to go here. Yen to me, Uncle Fanina just and no sale. I don't know what question and the I say for function and you need to know who Remukana, I will prepare to cram. I'm a much remember the second and sweating the Mayana clubs and no more written on. I'm a so many place and I'm a manunti and I know Kopima the Black Meteors of Ghana. I'm often difficult to them. I'm the better qualify Coban Majesty and Yasim could talk from that tenting tom near for club issues so from Braudia. Mepacho Paditing, other Oluboy Commodore, Mepacho only a board member, other the great Olympics, Olim Machine, Olim Consom, Oli Rosalinda, Oli Kamikaze, Oli Cecilia, I just say Yasim could talk who go Piema Nadia, Oluboy Commodore, only a board member, Adama Great Olympics, Oli Mayama, Oli Calipo, Oli Machine, Oli Consom, Oli Sejo, Oli Grace, and I say Oli Christ also winner. Now say Yasim could talk, Dibia moment, Bioma, Oluboy the Baba to jump, say the government, and I'm Mamba Boab, Nabi Bentimikoye, a sunset by Huko Krukron, a Yadia Ghana Premier Legnum, a say to me, Shasia, Nabi Bentimikoye, Namo Mamma Fuck Casa Dina Yadia sponsor the Bieniso, in Gentry and Sunam, sponsor the bar near to me, I shall leg and I say about Chodubakumado, some can chabu pay, and your professor last year, while Brane yet to me, Elbow Premier Legnum, now sponsor Bian Dasso, Namo Mania Shasia boy, and son and one, and to me at this sponsor ne ba majesia ya betane adena na Xylophone Premier League na se bibia enso timi akoye inte akono nkonko ade a amoma mu nhase no mutimi ball league na time goes on me patcho sponsors no azu betimi abana from a chip in na bibia timi akoye na mom for now wa sponsors ne mind dem obesra ban sa ban 20 min sponsor na bibia timi koye
sponsor in the league would be great. But I will suggest that we shouldn't start the league because there is no sponsor. The last league that was truncated, it started before start putting for the number 1 kid. So let's start. But I would suggest, because government has done this to us, they asked the GFA should dissolve a new one to be formed by the government. And I am sure that they like what has happened now. So what are they doing to compensate clubs who have stayed over a year? Treasury players paying their salaries and equipment. So government must take the foot of what is done in the Francophone states.
Right now, I have upon the daily Oluboy Komajo board member, Adama Great Olympics, and some crowd, Oda Baba Tuja, Yenwura Manamia Duma Juada on the 11th of November 2019 of Bachaho, Aguaquaya House of Folk birthday. The Continental Club Masters never say die until the bones are fully rotten at and Yasam Kitana Juada on the 11th of November 2019 of Bachaho, I House of Folk for birthday at and Yasam Kitana House of Folk and the 108 years, 108 years are. Na so many papa just enya sem ketokura na me pacha na as time say baba di birthday no me pacha national chapters committee spokesperson team and so team di Kobe Jones and team Kobe Bisa no and team na to come na Bisa say hey Kobe Jones say we now the national chapters committee oya mo kasa ma for the bomb na me aduma da joda me pacha has for keje mo birthday am o mo di 108 years na nshisha kura gwa kwa mo kura no ati say ni
Monday 11 November House of Okay, which are finding India or the Nankasa. But for this year, Sunday can say, I was anniversary years from Kono. And she said, we be Monday, never cross all about a couple of quiet when I could project by one account. And we see a psychiatric hospital. I read the nation, if you are a call, could be my now a shortcut to the bus. It's about the Pokemon project. So, I know I share about the day of any money so far. No, on the 11th, my birthday. Share before say
okay, I know I Kobe Jones, but I know National Chapters Committee. I'm a spokesperson now. On the Timber Church and Baby Mufria. On the corner is on the 11th of November 2019. That journal. I'm from Base. Finally, no Timber Cat Sodom. I will put my park and as soon as a project and so to your shots here and so to the free watchers here. And yeah, as some Katokra and what yes, I will print so Ebisa Kobe Jones and Kobe Jones here almost 10 years today and Foot Dunia me patch of the Continental Club Masters. Glorious House of Folk never said die until the bones are fully rotten. Mo picking leg na achaye in fit duni a House of Folk for musumutime legacy musra so nana pande ko says na dem pan NCC for yi musumubai mo ba ya fa mo ba bua ama just na House of Folk for and that match leg title be e dey see musra so now it sounds 10 years ni House of Folk trophy friend the Premier League there omujibia te yepa
NCC by say you can't say Ghana for you as a priority say Cerebral League of Ghana ye peji it is in Namwe Boyama league in Babasubia NCC bia na say Mobia you say kwa I think you say beach me winning league, you know, that is our priority. Because the last time I asked J League I checked, we are almost like 10 years or so. It's not possible. Per se, the current days come back. It's an NCC, you know. What results say we'll do everything within our capacity to support the club. So we reach me actually.
Okay, I know you run the day you Kobe Jones, but National Chapters Committee, sports person to the Baba to just say, I NCC for us with yes and here. Almost Shanama Buana be beer to your coye, Sunday by ya started leg now. Almost what you poor coming, net me what you legally so much of the sons at Chayapa, Wabra of 40 air trophy, I had 10 years in I'm with Leg in Thomas anymore. So be better to your coye jam on to him and so so timia jele gni esi omo sra so eno so ese Kobe Jones no ade baba tudwa na Kobe Jones na kura na ye afi baako na jamu appoint coach at the team ade Kim Grant say na de onra me for House of Folk team no na fin on tete na bibia team koye na de say bibia so team koye fine and from House of Folk team no na me patcho san no we no and the business Kobe Jones say and exactly 1 year a House of Folk I appointed I coach Tyrone Grant me patcho assessment and say
Grant bra so 1 year of course what to say our idea our so no only one competition that is the tier 1 about tier 1 tier 2 some competition since football in your is difficult to rate his performance but so far no he's done well okay the 1 year so far because he has built he's still building a team Joe were able to win it when the performance was not bad and I think there's only 1 year we'll be able to give him time as if he said between our house and he as is in the eternity and we'll give him all the support he needs celebrate
okay, I know Kobe Jones no some ga coach me to draw after say na exactly 1 year appointed coach Karen Tim Grant abapa no so timi boy I just say enya asem keto Kim Grant and timi boy na 1 year ya appointed papa na just say enya asem keto kura ye wura me ngonko piemo awo Kumasa sentimentemo na se ko piemo no ma dia na just akrobia sante koroko metema ukuma pima apemba ba the Porcupine Warriors me pacha nyame ya duma joda on the 11th of November 2019 and na just say wura ma House of Folk for and your birthday no Saman day na me baje ya dia sante koroko for omatimi aka bom na dey so ma prepare for the upcoming league season and so timi abesa zenche bia no yes middle of December and the betimi start air league no na se bibia timi akoye entinyame ya duma da joada so me na timi shia no timi start na timi prepare ahead of the season timi aba na be pemi na me no ka se de aya krobia sante koroko mo head coach at the team at the Cattle Zacharias after some team go piemom awobi manso abijan Côte d'Ivoire at some team chomon at Timadine San Pedro a bomb academy no mantinya tennis subribri come me pacho betu job some coach at the Cattle Zacharias and papano amoko friend ko body promise pam some papa no go di no go piem no papa di ho na the senyas and kutoba pem na no ka senyam ya do ma da joda some team started training na head of the Premier League season 19 pa but pem na no ka say that's ada Cattle Zacharias and 20 by na papa ni din ade kwaku asampo na se kwaku amponsam chairman kwaku amponsado na ba mbrane se K5 and what me kasaga kram and so team the fuck him grant ho and so no sem kakra ni
coach our player we did coach o team did support us at on your coach and she simple said Dr. Che and you may be son on to was so onye adwuma no mo betia ye adwuma na aboa eno mo mbeboa as in say wa akofa dia ba unsa dia akofa ba say wa no aka una so de buy no na de buy ni kwa de buy ni ke bebu mu ba na so de buy tu dia ba de o si ebu nti mo dey fact wa nyaade na mo nyina ye hwe akwan bi a ye fa so ebebu ama next time it ni kwa ye be kwa ni
okay we aya chairman kwaku amponsa K5 no so sam kakra on so timi de batu dra alpha aya coach at the team ade Cattle Zacharias ho eno achiye fru and now so papa the team ade chairman kwaku amponsa K5 sir papa no so timi kasa kakra and so timi de fa aya management member no na chairman K5 after so timi kasa kakra ade cha coach at the team ade Cattle Zacharias and our first no is honor Dr. Kwame Cheno na management no so omode ne de
management ni de kwan bi so omo ye adwuma but ni bi wo team no nkoyi na wanka emwa to omo so problem no so you see near the coach bro send in sa contract now we sa coach na say Dr. Cheka say wo kra me fa wo me hwe we see I was in council ka bi wanka anyama me break koso a management for ni ba wo ntini nka ntini dia ati wo yede kotoko wo and ye team to Kadia also mistake me be free.
Okay, na just no so some kakra chairman kwaku amponsa K5 and so team the tuja na chairman kwaku amponsa K5 some tiase ya me be so into the management no omo resign na
oh that be video me can say omo resign almost so omo suban so mbeti as Sunday at 5 omo chin Sunday was so free oh so we yakotoko na wa we ye member ni Sunday because enye na untimi nka dear and walk to
Okay, and also some Gakramba chairman, I Kwampo Sano, I Kotokosako chairman, the outgoing chairman, and Yasam Kitokra, on the Timber Betuja, I the fire coach Kato Zakaria Seno, and of his honor, Dr. Kwame Che, and of his management members, no, no, some Gakra, or the Babetuja, their phone, what I say, and Yasam Kitra, Kitawis away, I actually do your Sansa Casatin, your way, and we are about Messi near Timia Kwana for the draft terminal, and so Timia Trosu come, and so Tim, of course, we did know, I diluted Kwabiazad, Ubatima friend with Tim, Yuki, what you finally, Yetima Bo Reflagua Tobano, and I say, I'm Yadumachina Yako Showcase, say Yaswale, I just say, and yes, congratulations, and come from a Chris, Listowell from DJ Chemical Bubiano, Yangupon, and Srawa, and yet I send Kitopra. Yes, see, Namia Duma, yes, Yako, Namia Machedia on the Mega Sports Show, so Macramina,
Mr. for Mr. Count,
huh?
For Mr. Count,
Mr. Netina Passing,
and then Mr. Naba.
Dabi Yatina,
Okay, tell you,
Yatina,
what else are you calling? Semina, Munina, Mamma.
Namma, some women trying
Right.
Let's go.
Hey, Natalia.
Meyanko.
Emma, on die.